Hola, hola.
こんにちは。
Today we will walk at Washington Park here in Denver, Colorado. It's my favorite park, and then Mimi has been here a couple of times. I always walk in here. I do 2 laps, and I believe each lap is 1 mile. It takes me, if I do 2 laps, it takes me about 2.5 to 3 hours. And we are here with our friend, a snowman. Today the weather is very nice. It's about 65 degrees, but we had some snow, right, Mimi?
Yes, this
The
is
last
Denver.
couple of days. So, Mimi, would you
はい。
like to say something about the
はい。
park?
今日は休日で旦那さんとちょっとウォーキング、エクササイズしたいと思います。
So we'll show you around the park and walk with us. As you can see, this park is enormous. It's huge. It's a giant park, and it has 3 lakes. We're walking to the recreation center. It has a recreation center. It has a couple of playgrounds for the kids. During the summer here, there's a lot of volleyball. Volleyball, right? There's a lot of volleyball people that come here and like just set up their volleyballs or soccer, football, whatever you're into. This park is incredible.
公園の真ん中にあるリクリエーションセンターのウォールアートです。綺麗。これ初めて見ました、私。何回かここ歩いてるけど、今まで注意して見てなかったかな。すごく綺麗なウォールアートと、今からちょっとこのレクリエーションセンター行ってみます。レクリエーションセンターの中行ってきました。ちょっとプライバシーの関係上撮影はしなかったんですけど、プールもあるし、ジムもあるし、バスケットコート、ピックアンボール、なんかテニスみたいなできるとことかいっぱいあって、すごく素敵でした。
Very nice, very beautiful park. That's like a party house or event house. They do a lot of events in there, dinners, weddings, and the lake is coming up.
旦那さんがお手洗いから出てきました。もう皆さんもご存知の方も多いと思いますが、日本ほど綺麗で安全な公衆トイレはないと思います。そんなに私も世界中旅したわけではないけど、日本ほど本当にどこに行っても安全、どこにでもある、綺麗が保たれている公衆トイレは本当ないです。今ちょっとだけ映したこの公衆アメリカのトイレ、パブリックレストルーム、もうただのこうプラスチックで簡易なトイレだし、すごくもうお世辞にも綺麗とは言わないので、私も極力本当に我慢できない時以外はもう使わないようにしてます。
Okay, like Mimi was saying, in Mexico, if you go to a park, you have to pay like 5 or 10 pesos, which is like, 20, 30 cents US dollars to use that restroom, the public restroom. Most restrooms in a park in Mexico, they're not free, and that's a shame because we're human, right? And that's a need. If you need to go to a restroom, you need to go. In America, they have restrooms, but they usually close. Like actually facilities, they're always closed. And here in Denver, what we know is that they always use the excuse of homeless destroying the restrooms, but they're also human, and that's uh that's a no-go. That shouldn't happen. So what they do now is they have this. They're called porta potties, the plastic restrooms, which I used to love in Iraq and Afghanistan, but here I'm not in Iraq and Afghanistan or Afghanistan. I'm in the U.S., right? But hey, it is what it is. It's it's pretty gross, especially like for a female. But for us males, especially like me, I'm used to that. But you shouldn't. And then restrooms in Japan, public restrooms in Japan. I told Mimi that's one thing that I love about Japan. There are public restrooms everywhere. They're super clean, and you don't have to pay, or they're not no porta potties. They're you know, it's I don't know. One day I'll show you a public restroom in a park in Japan compared to America or Mexico, and you're gonna be impressed. Go ahead, Mika.
で、もう一つ付け方とすると、メキシコ、旦那さんが言った通り、メキシコはお金を払えば、こう、きれい、職員の人がきれいにしてくれるので、トイレは安全に使えます。でも、トイレットペーパーがないです。で、メヒコレストラン、they don't have the toilet
Yeah, you have to pay and then they give you a toilet paper. Usually it's like very little.
little. So,
Yeah, so you have to ask for more or I don't know, tip them, tip society.
Yeah.
But
だからメキシコに旅行するプランがある人とかは、もう本当にどこか出かけるときは必ずポケットティッシュだったり、もうそれこそでもトイレットペーパー一つ持ち歩いた方が絶対いいです。
so what's your experience? Have you been to Mexico? Have you used a restroom in Mexico? Have you used a restroom at a park in the US? And have you used, I don't know, in another country, right? Yeah, or maybe somewhere else. I don't know, Brazil, Germany, Romania. I don't know, like Russia. Just share your opinion. And then look at this beautiful park. And in this lake, you can actually, you also, yeah, fishing. Fishing is allowed. You do have to have a fishing license. Free for veterans. The lake's name is Smith Lake, and they have some rules for fishing, such a have to have a fishing license, and then they have the sizes of the fish. So if you get a fish, from I don't know, 4 to 8 inches or 8 to 12 inches, you're supposed to put them back. There's the fire department, and also there's another lake or a pond, but that's only for teenagers and kids. Beautiful. And the park is just the feeling of the park. Muy bonito, muy bonito. Lots of people exercising. Here's the little pond, only for teenagers and kids. And then there's the fire department. Usually has more water. Right,
It's a
me?
little less?
Yeah. Usually has more water, but we've been getting a lot of snow. No rain, but rain season's coming up. And when rain season comes in Denver, or yeah, here in Denver, it comes hard.
今日、この動画を撮ってる日付が3月19日なんですけど、デンバーは3月といってもまだ雪はもうまだまだ降って、今日でこそちょっと暖かいかな。16度。日中で16度ぐらいあるんで、すごく暖かい日ですけど、もう本当にデンバーの天気は結構日によって違って、今日が16度あっても2日3日後に急にもう最高気温マイナス4度になったりするので、やっぱり標高が高い分すごく寒いです。今日はすごくいい天気。青空。
Another thing that I love about Washington Park is just peaceful. And like I was saying, I come in here, do my daily walks about 4 or sometimes even 5 days a week. Like I used to run a lot when I was in the service in the military, but after leaving the military, you get complacent. I know all my veterans know about that, and we gained weight, which I did gain some weight, but hopefully in the future I can get back in shape to how I was. But yeah, I mean, this is great for just walking outside in nature. Is great for your mind, your body, your spirit. Right? I mean, it's incredible. It's incredible. And then, like I said, where I was raised in Mexico, we really didn't have parks. I mean, the cities where I was raised is there's a lot of destruction. There's not many parks, and just being here in Denver, it's the
ちゃんとこの公園円で歩けるように円周になってるんですけど、ちゃんと人が歩くよう、自転車とかローラースケートができるところ、ちゃんと3レーン、あともっとゆっくりなパターン、スピード出す人たち、ちゃんとレーンが分かれてて安全です。
yeah, like Mimi was saying, that's to prevent accidents. You have the walking lane, and then you have the bicycle lane, fast and then slow. So that guy's going on the slow lane. This will be in the middle will be the fast lane, and this is the walking lane. Beautiful day. And it is a free activity to come walk at the park, right, Mimi?
They have tennis court, basketball, volleyball net.
Volleyball, and then you can also do, you know, you can also volunteer. And this is a volunteer building. They have the volunteers for outdoor Colorado, and I'm not sure what activities they have, but I'm sure their time is well appreciated here at the park. Here we have the boat house, which is closed right now because we're still having cold weather. But during the summer, when they open this boathouse, you can rent different type of equipment, and then you can just go ahead and have fun at the lake. Beautiful, right, Amy? What do you think?
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. We haven't done the kayaks or those tricycles, but we will this summer. We have to. All right, so this is what we were talking about. All porta potties. Hey, that's okay for us gentlemen, but for the ladies, I don't see that as appropriate. Especially like I'm sure you've been in one of those and they're not the cleanest. Kimochi. It feels so good. Qué rico se siente el clima, Mimi. It feels so nice. The weather right now is incredible.
Perfect.
We see a lot of people with just a shirt and shorts, but too cold for us, you know. Um, yeah. So if you get a chance, get out, go to the park, go for a walk. In El Paso, we went to a couple of parks, right? Because in El Paso, Texas, it gets super hot during the summer, but we go to the park late at night. Here in Denver, it gets warm during the summer, but not as hot. There's a little squirrel just chilling, Chippendales, and they're so used to the people here at the park. Cause some people actually feed them, so they expect food. They expect food from people, but you're not supposed to feed them, right, Amy?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to feed them, but there it is. It's looking at us. Cute, kawaii. Hey, baby, kawaii. Okay, and up ahead there are some basketball courts and tennis courts. Look at the puppy having fun. Lots of puppies in this park. I love that. It's just therapeutic to come here, walk around, look at the puppies, people exercising. There goes an F-16. F-16. The military is here also. Another one's coming probably. One thing about Denver is that they also have a lot of mountains. a lot of hiking trails. I get it. Hiking is not for everybody, but the parks like this park right here right now, Washington Park, has a lot of walking trails. So yeah, if you want to come to Washington Park or any other park, you can always just go for a walk, chill, play basketball, and like I said, we've been getting a lot of snow. Everybody having fun. We're coming up to the fishing dock. This is another lake, so this is a second lake. There's a guy over there fishing, and I'm not sure how deep this lake is, but I'm sure it is deep for sure. Just too peaceful.
This is my favorite spot in
This is
Washington Park.
Mimi's favorite spot. Why, Mimi?
Peaceful. Look.
She says too peaceful.
Many geese.
Any it freezes during the winter. It freezes. Not 100%, but it
But
does.
ice, yeah,
Right? There's a lot of ice.
surface the ice.
One great thing about Mimi is that I have a very bad short memory. So no matter where I go. If I go hiking, I go walking, I always forget water. So when I'm with Mimi, she's always like, okay, we need this, we need that, we need that, like a list. And every time I come here to the park, I always forget the water, and then I regret it. Right, Mimi?
I'm his reminder. Good reminder.
Yeah, she's very good reminder. Super Mimi, little Mimi.
He always forget where he parking lot.
Yep. Even when we go to Walmart, anywhere, grocery store,
Target.
park, anywhere, I was, I have short memory. You can blame that on the military too. And now we're coming up to some geese. They're just chilling. Quack, 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 quack. No, I mean, they're not ducks, but yeah, they're geese. And sometimes you can even see two, 10, or sometimes there are hundreds of them, right? It depends. But one cool thing that we've seen is that we haven't seen any dogs like chasing the geese.
This is their headquarters.
This is their territory headquarters. There's another one. And you will step on poop. Geese poop, no matter what. If you can't walk at the park, but it's okay. That's nature. More geese. Look at them. Hola, hola. Hola, hola. All right, we don't wanna get too close, so we just wanna say bye. We don't wanna piss them off either.
Yeah, don't get too close.
Don't get too close.
Respect.
Of course, Mimi. Okay, like what I was talking about, the public restrooms, they're always closed, no matter what. So
Close.
I don't know why. Do you guys know the reason why they will be closed? But yep, it is what it is. But I mean, come on, right? I don't want to rant or complain, but come on, like we pay taxes, right? Those things should be open. But anyways, we're coming up to uh, the end of the park, and they also have a lot of parking too. So parking, street parking, a lot of beautiful homes here. It's a very expensive area to live around Washington Park, right, Mimi? A lot of big homes, big homes. Another sport that I have never seen in my life until I came here to Washington Park It's called lawn bowling, and they have this stick and they hit the ball. It's pretty cool. There's that guy, he's about to hit the ball. Oh, that's incredible. What do you think about that, Amy? Have you ever seen that sport?
No, I'm not sure in the Japanese, but Japanese call like a geiko, but I think they're different rule. Geiko
Right.
like more like a small golf, but this is not right.
Lawn
How to
bowling.
say lambo?
Lawn bowling. So I'm not sure where that sport is called. Maybe like, I don't know, European, Australian. I'm not sure, but that's pretty cool. All right, let's keep on with our journey. Okay, we came up to more squirrels, más ardillas, and I'm gonna show you guys. They're expecting food. Maybe you see, they're expecting food because people feed them, right? You're not supposed to feed them, but they're expecting food. That's what they're like.
I'm sorry, we don't have the food.
You see, he's they're expecting food. We don't have food, buddy, but we don't want to get too close either because they might have some rabies. But look how cute. What do you think, Mimi?
So cute,
Right? Oh, cute. Hey, buddy. Well, maybe next time we'll bring you guys some food, all right?
Yeah.
Like some squirrel food. We don't want to poison you guys. Sorry about that.
What they like? Nuts?
Not sure. I gotta research that.
Let's
Adios, buddies. Adios.
Ciao, ciao.
How do you say adios in Japanese?
Bye bye. Sayonara.
Bye bye. Okay.
Sayonara.
Adios. And we're here at the lake again. There's another lake. Lots of lakes. And lots of happy people. Alright, about 3 days ago on Saturday, Mimi, we were walking on the parking lot in our apartment, and she was pushing the scooter. She has an electric scooter, and she thought it was off. It was on, and she fell down, and it scared me. I'm not gonna lie, I was very scared. I didn't even want Mimi to get up, but she's recovering. So, how you feel, Mimi?
そう、今、旦那さんが英語で言ってくれた通り、なんと、大人になって初めてかな、2日連続でこけました。まず土曜日、仕事始まって、まださっきも言った通り、デンバー、寒い、朝晩はやっぱ冷え込むので、地面でアイス凍ってるところがあって、私それに気づかず、両手に荷物持ちながら、その氷の上歩いちゃって、後ろにすってんころりん。幸い、尻餅程度で、その日はどこも行きたくなかったんですけど、その次の日、旦那さんが夜ちょっと出かけるって言って、私はエレクトリックスクーターで帰ろうと思って、それを押して向かってたんですね、駐車場に。で、もう私の100% ミスなんですけど、電源をオフにしてると思ったらオンにしてやって、こう、スクーターのここをひねるとアクセル、スピードが出るようになってるけど、それをもうオフになってると思って、もうこう、ひねっちゃったんですよね、手首を。そしたら、自分が予期せぬ、勢いで、スクーターが動いちゃって、それに体持ってかれて、2日目は、スクーターと一緒にドカッと前にこけました。で、その前にこけた衝撃のせいで、ちょっと、全身、特に右肩打っちゃったんで、右半身。ちょっと今、筋肉痛みたいに痛いですけど、でもだいぶリカバリーしてきた。Getting better.
Mimi's getting better. It's gonna take time. The good thing is that she didn't broke any bone.
2 days.
Yeah.
I
I was very scared, but she will recover. You know, she has a. We're coming up to the tennis court, and one cool thing about the tennis courts here is that you don't need no membership, none of that. So they're open to the public. Tennis only, so no pickleball. Pickleball is very famous right now in the U.S. But it says tennis only. There you go. Tennis, very famous.
This is
Oh, here you can
stuff.
come and I play wall ball. You know where you hit the wall with your hand, but it's not allowed. But I'm sure if I go in there and like hit, you know, do a couple shots, people are not gonna make a big deal. Lots of tennis courts. Thank you for watching our channel. I hope that you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.
動画見てくれてありがとうございます。よかったら私たちの夫婦チャンネル登録してください。またね
Gracias. Thank you and get out and walk at the park. Bye bye.